everyone, my name is Kaushik. I am studying UKG in Smida School. I am showing experiment thinking candle. We need some matchbox and color water, plate, candle and glass. We need pour the color water and candle we lost the plate. Now lit the candle. Now cover the candle into the glass. Now see what happened. The candle is blew off and water is raised up. Conclusion is raising water and candle. Thank you.